Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It's Pushka this side, and today we are talking about CRM. More specifically, we are talking about how you can build a CRM for free and use it for free. So you know that Fuzen is meant for small businesses. So large number of our users are actually small business owners. And they often ask us, is it possible to build a free CRM and use it for free on Fuzen? Because they are either startups or small operations or solo professionals who are not able to justify a huge spend on a simple software like CRM. So that's why they're looking for low-cost alternatives or free alternatives for CRM. On the contrary, established SaaS companies like Zoho or HubSpot offer you a simple CRM which is free in the beginning. Essentially, they offer you simple features, basic features that you can use for free. But the moment you want to use any premium features or the moment your usage grows, you need to upgrade to monthly subscriptions. You need to upgrade to per user pricing. So which can put a lot of pressure on a business which is still at early stage. Because the moment you try to grow or the moment your business grows, your spending also grows with these CRM software. So today, I'm going to present to you a very powerful alternative where you can build a customized CRM as per your liking, and it will be completely free and you can continue using it for free, and I'll show you how you can do that. So this is going to be a very informational video. Make sure you watch it till the end. So going back 20 years or even 10 years, software used to be expensive because you needed to hire developers to build a customized app. Today, AI has changed all of that. AI is democratizing software access and software ownership. So what do I mean by that? Because even earlier, companies like HubSpot and Zoho gave you access to low-cost software or even free software. Like they gave you a free CRM, but they didn't give you the ownership of that CRM. Because what happened when you wanted to customize or modify the CRM that you got for free? Your hands were tied. You're not able to do a lot with what they had built. You had to use whatever they had built. If you wanted to add a customized sales workflow or you wanted to take out a couple of features that you are not using, you could not do that. And on the flip side, you had to pay them whatever they asked. So if you are not using 5 out of 10 features, you still had to pay for the whole feature set. So you had to pay for monthly subscription costs and recurring fees. So these companies actually trapped you in their subscription plans. But today AI has changed all of that. With help of Fuzen's AI, you can build a fully customized CRM app. You can build features that you want. You can build only the features that your team is going to use. So your CRM can be very simple and easy and light for your team to use. And more importantly, you don't need to pay monthly subscription costs for a CRM app that you own. You only need to pay the hosting costs. So now coming to the important question. So you saw that you are able to build completely customized CRM with Fuzen's AI. But now the question is, how do you do it for free? And that's what I want to show you. So the first option is you create a very detailed description or a detailed prompt about your CRM, what you're looking to build. And then you enter that prompt here and watch Fuzen's AI build it from scratch. So that is the first option. The second option is what I would recommend. The second option is you use Fuzen's free CRM template. So Fuzen gives you a CRM template that is completely free of cost and that has all the basic functionality that you would need within a CRM. And I'll put a link to this template in the description of the video so you can find it and you can install it from there. When you install this free CRM template, it will create a basic CRM within your Fuzen's account with all the basic functionality that you need within a CRM. And then you can customize it on top of that using Fuzen's AI. Now coming to Fuzen's AI credits, whenever you sign up on Fuzen, you get 5 AI credits for free. And each of these credits counts for a single message or a single prompt sent to Fuzen's AI. So essentially, you are able to send 5 messages or to create 5 customizations with these free credits. And whenever you run out of these credits, if you recommend Fuzen to your friends and colleagues, you can get more free credits. And even if you don't do that, these AI credits are very inexpensive and you can buy these credits starting at a low cost, starting at a $9. These credits are very inexpensive. You can start buying these credits for as low as $9. and these credits don't expire, so you can use them whenever you want. So essentially, you are able to get these AI credits either completely free or at a very low cost, which means you're able to build a fully customized CRM either completely free or at a very low cost. So once your CRM is built, it's already live and ready to be used. Share the link with your team, invite them to the app, and they can start using it immediately. You don't need to get any other third-party subscriptions like Supabase or Airtable or anything. Every app built on Fuzen comes along with infrastructure for hosting, storage, and database. So you don't need to worry about any of that. And by default, we put your app on a free tier for hosting. And if you work with a small team of, let's say, 5 to 10 people, this free tier should be good enough for you. So if you're running a small business, you can build your CRM completely free on Fuzen, and you can keep hosting it on Fuzen for free. So essentially, on Fuzen, you get a completely free CRM for yours to build and to use. So a lot of users still ask us, what is the difference between HubSpot and Zoho and Fuzen? Because they are also giving away their CRM for free. So how is Fuzen any different? So the answer is very simple, and it's a one-word answer. It's customization. So if you're using a customized CRM, there are a lot of benefits. First of all, because you build this custom CRM for your business, it is very simple to use, and because of that simplicity, it actually gets used. You end up with lower costs. You don't need to spend on monthly subscriptions or per user pricing. If you wanted to modify the CRM that you built, you can do it whenever you want because now you own the CRM. Another important point that people miss is now because you are able to build a CRM, you can add your own secret sauce to it. So for example, if you come up with an innovative sales automation, you can add that to your CRM to create an edge for your business. And finally, the important thing to note is Fuzen is able to do all of this for you for free. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you got enough information to start building your CRM for free. I'm going to recommend that you use our free CRM template to get started with. I'm going to put a link to that template in the description of this video, so you'll find it there. I hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up before you leave. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.